Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to follow all of my steps. If not, let's do it right now, so simply log in or sign up. If you're not sure how to do it, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and we have to tap on updates available to check which one we can update. And obviously all you have to do is to mark the apps. You can mark all of them, it's up to you. If not, just find those which you want to and mark it. So just tap in this square. So let me choose those and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device right now is downloading the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. You do not have to wait here, you can just turn it off and do whatever you want. Everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.